Need to replace your mortise box? Here are a few easy steps to help you without damaging your PanoLock multi-point lock. Begin by using a T15 Torx bit to unscrew the following 4 screws. Then set them aside. Rotate the lock so it faces down. To remove the mortise box, pull straight up. Next, place your new mortise box in the exact same spot as your previous one. Finally, use your T15 Torx bit to replace the 4 screws you removed earlier, and put your PanoLock back in its place. With PanoLock, everything is about a simple install.